Hi y'all, so this is a very brief video because I know I'm not the only one trying to solve the problem of how to live stream traditional art. So my original solution was to have the camera, it was hooked up here on the side of the desk, and what would happen is I would be drawing, and as you can see from like the other things that I have attached here, when I was working on it, it would shake everything, and then the camera would shake and it would be very distressing. So for now, the new solution is I have disconnected the camera from the desk and stuck it to a pole, which I have artist taped for now to the wall, because if you are an artist, you solve everything with art tape, unlike engineers who solve everything with duct tape. And so now, as you can see, when I shake the table, the camera does not shake. So that's the new thing I'm going to try. I have it braced down here with a piece of wood and a weight. That was the solution we came up with, and I'm going to try it this weekend and see if it helps. Hopefully it will, and if it doesn't, we'll try something new. Do you live stream traditional art? And if so, what does your setup look like? Let me know.